Coffee with the Editor is proudly brought to you by IRZ and the Railway Safety Regulator, RSR.
Nikola, thank you so much for joining me here for a quick coffee with the Editor here at the Rail Safety Regulator's annual Rail Safety Conference. So you're from TMH, what is your role?
Yes, I'm head of rolling stock, reliability, maintenance and support system, like all activities that we have in the design phase of the vehicle, and then after in the operation phase, like for maintenance, for operation availability. That's all the moment, and we provide in the moment our strategy. This is ARM2S. It's a part of presentation. ARM2S, it's calling asset reliability and maintenance support system. That will look for the dynamic maintenance, the vehicle in operative better.
All right, so you're going to be speaking at
Yes.
this conference today. What are you going to be speaking about?
The topic here is dynamic maintenance, to bring dynamic maintenance philosophy to the South Africa market, and to talk about our experience in Europe. We have a lot of projects where we provide this methodology about with the part of analysis, and then with tools in the field, and that's all the way what we like here to bring the experience.
So in your topic here, I see the words digital twin dynamic.
Yes,
So, I mean,
yes.
that's quite an interesting concept, having a digital twin.
Mhm.
And I would
Okay.
assume a digital twin of an asset.
Yes, the digital twin in the first case, it's one of the asset configuration, but we talk about digital twin when we analyze the part of the machine, it's an asset, and we analyze of the part of the materials what we need in the support of the maintenance. When you look on the maintenance strategy, a lot of people think maintenance is only to do what I do in the shop, but it's not true. You have a lot of figures who you need to do the maintenance right, and this is so our methodology to look. Okay, we have 4 factors. One is the man, the employer, the blue collar, or the planner, the maintenance planner. Then we have the maintenance track to organize the stop, the infrastructure, to have the right tools in the right time, and the so is nearly to the material, like spare parts, like consumables, all what I need to do the job right. And the philosophy what we try is to do this all digital twin in the machine, to say and make analysis when we have issue outside, to show okay, for this maybe corrective issue, for this issue we need this competence, we need this material, we need this infrastructure, and which shop is available with this to do this in the right time for on the focus on the operation availability for our assets.
So what do you think the efficiency that this technology brings to a system?
You have constantly workload on your system. If you show in the moment is so the vehicle in the many operators is going to the shop, and then beginnings to show the failures, and then maybe they have no available spare parts, they have no available competence to do this job, and this is what we like to analyze before we bring the vehicle to service, to analyze okay, which shop is this available what we need for our work. And this is so what we have not so many lose time, the vehicle stand and wait of the spare parts and wait of the right people.